Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly exciting for all the car enthusiasts out there. The 2025 LT1 C2 Corvette. If you've been following Corvette's legacy, you know that the C2, or second-generation Corvette, is one of the most iconic cars in automotive history. But now, with a 2025 LT1 model, Chevrolet brings a modern twist to that classic formula. So, let's dive right into the details. First up, let's talk about the exterior. Right off the bat, the 2025 LT1 C2 retains the timeless design that made the C2 famous, but with some modern updates that make it feel fresh and aggressive. The body has that unmistakable sleek, muscular shape. Wide fenders, long hood, and those signature curves that make it look like it's always in motion. This car has presence. The front end features sharp LED headlights that sit low and wide, paired with a bold grille that gives it a menacing look. The lines along the sides are clean and smooth, giving it that quintessential Corvette profile, while the rear end showcases those iconic quad exhaust tips, which are now more pronounced. You also get an updated set of wheels with a mix of matte black and chrome options, giving the car a more modern appearance while maintaining the vintage feel. The exterior dimensions of this car haven't really changed much compared to its classic predecessors, but there are small touches like updated side mirrors and a reworked rear spoiler that give the car a more aerodynamic edge. Moving on to the interior, the 2025 LT1 C2 Corvette is all about blending retro vibes with modern technology. You get the feeling of a classic Corvette when you step inside, with leather upholstery that comes in a variety of colors, including the iconic red and black combo. The dash features a mix of analog and digital elements, with classic round gauges sitting side by side with a fully digital touchscreen display that controls everything from navigation to the car's performance settings. The steering wheel has a perfect blend of vintage-inspired design and modern materials, with a leather-wrapped feel and a few extra buttons to control various functions. One of the coolest features of the interior is the digital instrument cluster, which can be customized based on your driving preferences. Whether you want the classic analog gauges look or a full performance display, it's all at your fingertips. As for comfort, the seats are bolstered but still comfortable enough for long drives. They're also power adjustable, so whether you're short or tall, you can find that sweet spot behind the wheel. And if you're a tech lover, you'll appreciate the updated infotainment system, which now includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easier than ever to sync up your phone and control apps through the touchscreen. Now let's talk about performance. The LT1 in the 2025 Corvette is no slouch. Under the hood, you'll find a 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers 495 horsepower and 470 mpht of torque, all of which is sent to the rear wheels. This engine makes the LT1 C2 feel extremely quick, with a 0 to 60 mph time of just around 3.4 seconds. It's powered by that iconic small electric V8, which gives you that deep, throaty engine note that Corvette lovers adore. The engine is paired with a smooth 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which shifts quickly and crisply, making the car feel nimble, especially when you're putting the pedal to the metal. Handling is sharp, thanks to its lightweight chassis and advanced suspension system. This car takes corners with ease and offers incredible stability, whether you're on the highway or tackling winding back roads. You also get several driving modes to tailor the car's response to your preferences. Whether you're in a more relaxed mood or want the full performance experience, you've got that versatility right at your fingertips. Braking performance is solid, with large disc brakes that provide plenty of stopping power, even at high speeds. And to top it all off, the LT1 C2 comes equipped with an active exhaust system, which means you can switch between a more refined sound or a full-throttle roar when you're really pushing it. But how does this car stack up in terms of pricing? Well, the 2025 LT1 C2 Corvette comes with a starting price of around $65,000. This puts it in a relatively affordable range for a performance car of its caliber. Of course, if you start adding on options like the Z51 Performance Package, upgraded wheels, or special interior materials, that price can climb. But even at the base level, you're getting a lot of car for the money. All in all, the 2025 LT1 C2 Corvette is a stunning blend of vintage Corvette charm and modern-day performance. Whether you're a die-hard Corvette fan or just someone who appreciates well-engineered cars, this model is sure to turn heads and deliver a driving experience that's hard to beat. It has the right amount of power, the perfect mix of tech and comfort, and that unmistakable Corvette spirit. Thanks for tuning in to this review of the 2025 LT1 C2 Corvette. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on the latest and greatest cars hitting the road. See you in the next one.